Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove the side rails on your Bosch oven. Really useful if you want to give them a very good clean. Now this is a new oven, it will be slightly harder on your one because they'll be caked in with a bit more grease and stuff, but once you know how to do it, hopefully it will make more sense. So I'm just removing the tray, and they're held in two places, here and here, and it's the same on the other side as well. So I'm just going to show you this one on this video. So on this first one we need to lift it up and out, and on the back one we need to lift it forward and out. So they're done differently. These things are put in differently on the actual oven itself, and this one needs to be forward, this one needs to be up. So it'll make more sense when I do it. So with this one here, we're just going to lift it up a little bit. So you can see it hasn't moved that much, just a few mil, and now out, like so. And with this one at the back, we're moving it forward and out. And if you have a look here, these look to be the same on both of them, but yet these are shaped differently. This one is vertical while this one is horizontal. So to put it back, we're going to push the back one in first. You can see I'm going all the way in, and then I'm going towards the back of the cooker, and then on this front one I'm going all the way in and then down, and that is it. They are now both locked into place again. So I'm going to take it off just one more time so you can see. So I'm going up and out, and I'm going forward and out, and that is it. Back in, forward, and then back, and then up, and then down, and that is it, all locked into place again. So it's nice and straightforward, give you a good opportunity to clean them. Same applies to this one here. Thanks for watching.